The night I called the police on a ghost. Strange. Although it's absurdity, this is a real story and happened quite recently. I am young, not disclosing but old enough to be on here. So me being me, I was on a Discord call with my friend. It was dusk out and all the street lights on my street went on. After a while of peacefully chatting with my friend, I noticed one of the street lights was flickering in an uneven pattern. I showed my friend who drives a sailboat with his dad a lot the street light on camera to see if it was Morse code or something. I've asked him if he was lying and he swears on his life. He said, "Bro, get out of there, that's Morse for SOS. I laughed it off. What a coincidence. Yeah, well, until all the street lights shut off at once. Straight out of ****ing Stranger Things, they all turned back on in that same flickering pattern. And then, boom. A transformer pretty much right above me blew the hell up. It sounded like lighting. Louder than lighting. But oh man, did it scare the hell out of me. I ran inside explaining to my friend what happened and why it sounded like a thermonuclear bomb went off in my neighborhood. And once again, straight out of ****ing Stranger Things. All the car alarms on my street went off. What the hell? At this point I was ****ing bricks. Literally my parents' cars in my own garage went off as well. By the way, my parents weren't home. They were picked up by a friend to go to a dinner. So I scrambled to find both their keys and turn the alarms off. I was detoxing on the call with my friend and cuddling with my dogs, who were equally as scared. I swear to God, as if it couldn't get any weirder, all the lights in my room turned red. Now before someone calls bullshit, let me explain. All my lights are Govee. I connected my Govee to my Alexa. The default color for all my lights is red. Even though I knew this, it still pushed me beyond my breaking point and I started shaking, bro. After my room lights all fully shut off, that's when I decided to dial the magical number. 911, what's your emergency? This is what I said verbatim, BTW. Excuse my language, but there's some weird ***T going on in. Dispatcher, yeah, we've gotten calls about a blown transformer, is that what you mean? Well, they're that, and then all the street lights and my room lights and the car alarms, straight out of Stranger Things. Dispatcher, okay, we're gonna send out power units to investigate, okay. All right, thank you, ma'am. Times. What happened next was a lot of talking to neighbors, Facebook, and my parents about what happened that night. What the police told me was that a major electrical fail in a fiber optic cable caused a spark that knocked out or messed with a lot of other power utilities. They didn't have an explanation to the car alarms though. Which left me antsy. Thank you for reading. I am being totally serious when I say this is a real story. I had to be next to my dogs while writing this because of the stress I associate with it. Thanks again.